Hello, this is Mike Reed coming to you with your Manitowoc training classes for San Antonio, Texas, October 24th or October 25th. Those are your 2 days that you have to choose from. It's going to be at the Embassy Suites, $85 for the class. You can go ahead and email Juan Reyes at 210-723-4325. Go ahead and contact Juan Reyes. Let them know you're going to attend the class. You do get your tech handbooks. It's about 4 or 5 of them that you're going to get. All kind of giveaways that they have, and you have lunch. Classes from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And then down at the bottom, you'll see where you can go ahead and register www.bakerdistribution.com. So bakerdist.com/Baker dash Manitowoc, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, I'm going to put a link in the description. Everything is going to be there for you. So you can click on it, or you could just go to your Baker location and they will have the sheet. And you could just physically sign up right there at your Baker location and pay for your class. So they're going to go over Manitowoc and koolaire products, and this is for 2023 October 24th, or you can go to the October 25th class. And I got more coming to you. So they're going to do Laredo and some other places. Have a good one.